Will you marry me?
Yes, yes, yes! Oh, I love it! Kevin's almost here.
Hey, Lily.
I just finished decorating.
Whoa, let me check it out.
So, what do you think?
It's nice.
Let's go practice walking down the aisle. Oh, I forgot the music. Good thing I keep my radio on me.
Huh?
Time for our vows.
Vows? Oh, I forgot to write mine.
Don't worry, I wrote enough for the both of us. All right, page 1 out of 50.
Oh, it was your ring.
Oh yeah, thanks for reminding me. Oh, and my sash. Let's continue. All right, first page of our vows. All finished.
Finally.
Yay!
Is this newspaper?
Yeah, do you like it?
Yeah, I guess I do.
Yay!
Well, I don't know how hard it can be to do your job. Just get it done already. I need it for my wedding. It's so hard to find good help these days.
Yeah, I guess. Ready to practice?
Yeah, let's get started already. Max!
Yeah, Mom, I'm at the rehearsal right now.
What are you doing?
Oh,
I can't believe him.
good luck.
It's on!
Oh, I can't wait to try the cake. Yeah.
How do I use any of this?
Oh, flour and eggs, that's all I need. Now mix it together.
Oh no, she's already starting. What am I gonna do? I know. I'll just order a cake.
Delivery.
Oh, this looks kind of plain. Ooh, I know. I'll just use this to decorate. Ooh, last one.
Wait, what?
Ooh, all done.
Oh, I gotta hurry up and put it in the oven. This stuff is so high tech. I've never used anything like this. Let me try this. Oh, hurry, hurry. Oh, it's done. Now it's time to decorate. Oh, I only have candy. Finishing touches. And I'm done.
What? How'd she make her so good?
All right, time's up.
You're going down.
Joy?
Wow. Is this real money?
Yeah, do you like it?
Yeah. I can't even eat this.
Try harder.
Oh, I really can't. What happened to the other side of the cake?
I ran out of candy.
Am I supposed to eat this with my hands?
Don't worry.
Whoa. Thanks, honey.
How was it?
10 out of 10.
Yay!
And the winner is Lily.
Yes! Where's the bus?
The bus will be arriving in 30 minutes.
Oh, that's too long. I wonder where the deals are. Oh, everything's so expensive. Do you guys have anything for sale?
Oh yeah, come with me. Here are the sale items. It's only $1.
This is $1?
No, these fruits right here. See, $1.
This is it. Fine.
Huh? Where's the rest?
What do you mean? They're $1.
No, $1 each.
Oh, fine. This is the rest of my money.
Thank you.
Oh, that was my bus fare. I guess I'm walking home. I went to the store and got you some fruits.
Oh, nice. Wow, they're tiny.
Yeah, they were on sale.
They smell good.
Do you like them?
Yeah, it tastes great.
Yay!
You want to share?
Yeah.
I wonder where all the good stuff is. Excuse me.
Yes?
Are these organic?
Yeah, they just flew in from Madagascar.
They look pretty good. I'll take them all.
Of course, it'll be $500.
That's so cheap. Here you go.
Thank you. Have a good day.
You too. Oh, I better hurry
hurry. Max might be hungry.
Hey, Becca.
I hope it didn't take too long.
That wasn't long. What do you have?
I got you fruit.
These from Madagascar?
Yeah, how'd you know?
My mom always got these. They're my favorite.
Oh, I knew you would love them.
Oh, thanks.
Regardless whether you're rich or poor, you can always find true love.
Hi, everyone. Did you guys like our video? Leave a comment down below. Don't forget to subscribe.
Hit the bell button. Give us a big thumbs up, and we'll see you in the next video.
Bye.